Hi ma'am, today I will talk about which of my four creed statement is the most difficult for me to live by and why. The creed statement I find hardest to live by is always be efficient and kind to others. Sometimes when I'm tired, stressed, or in hurry, it's not easy to stay calm and kind. I may lose patience or speak without thinking, and that makes me feel bad later. I try to remind myself that everyone has their own struggle, and being patient can make a big difference. Still, it takes practice every day to stay gentle and understanding, especially when things don't go my way. Even though it's hard, I'm learning to take a deep breath, slow down, and show kindness no matter what. That's how I try to live by my creed every day. Thank you, ma'am.